Hey, yo, this last nigga lame as hell, fool. Oh, shit, didn't move up. I'm sleep. Yo, appreciate that follow, you boo. Tezii a clown hitter. What up, Daryl? What up, Miyagi? Yo, what up, good? What good? Yeah, most likely to be lag game. Oh yeah, we got 2 guards pulling up again.
Easy lobs.
Yeah, there might be lag game. And go crazy. Let's get it. Easy laws, bro. Let's get it, man. Down there blocking it hot. You be let talking, you beat me. For sure.
Yes, sir.
You really goated out here. Yeah, I know I'm goated. Yo, Tezii, what happened to the red squad last night? Nigga, I fell asleep, bro. I fell asleep. I'm pretty sure you beat me and Gucci and Beast that day. I didn't sleep. Bro, he told us to pull up. He told me and my nigga babe to pull up. We pulled up. We had an IB in it. What you talking about? Sleep.
Yeah, sure.
Oh, he too little. Hey, like, I want to get him banned too. You want to get him?
Bro, these
wanna
niggas ain't
Nah,
calm,
that
my
nigga
nigga.
negative as hell.
Damn.
He on some
How much
weird
VC you got?
He trying to tell me. Huh? I need like a good 30K more for Mascots, bro. I'm gonna buy the suit though. Huh?
Imagine not having enough VC for Mascots.
Nah, I said the same thing. I supposed to have a million or 2, bro. You just try with your ass off.
Bro!
Oh man, it just talk shit. Don't make sense. Nah, don't unban him, bro. He trying to make me tell Nate some shit. Talking about some YouTube and shit. He weird as hell, fool. Come on, fool. That nigga weird as fuck. I don't even know dude better about VC. You must gonna throw me the bread to waste my money on VC. Gonna dunk on his ass. Ooh, man got the LeBron dunk package on. Nah.
Fuck off me, you fucking pussy. Wow.
Damn, 2K. Go ahead and throw this Stevie, little bro. Show me some.
That's a Stevie.
Nope. You Billy talking to you. You Billy talking to you wanna be me. Put on your black forces and hop on the 5K and do the VC glitch. I got a pair of black forces right here. Stop playing with me.
Yes, sir.
There go. I hope I hit it this game, Shane, bro. There go, man.
You got it.
Oh, yeah, let go. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. I'm fly. Baby. Shout out my name, Nate, bro. I appreciate that shout out, though, Nate, for real, though. For any shit, bro.
Got you.
Here go, bro. Here go, big here. My nigga Nate came through. Let me spill a little bars for y'all. My nigga Nate came through. He done dropped the sandwich, and he had to do what he had to do. What you talking about? What you talking about? Young on the legend grind, bro. This shit finna be crazy, bro. I'm gonna go buy a
Legends
suit,
is
you know what I'm
next,
saying?
baby.
Oh yeah, you hear Mascots night too? No, I'm tuning in for sure. I'm gonna go. I ain't got enough for a Mascot, but I'm gonna buy a suit. Bro, you know the tricycle's 300K too, bro? Hell no, I'm not buying one of them joints. You gonna buy one? The tricycle bikes? Nigga, they ain't gonna be on a mask on the tricycle.
Oh shit!
You put,
Almost got stuck on with randoms, my nigga.
oh shit. Oh shit. Alright, let go. Bro, is that the boot camp shirt in there, hoe? What the hell? And look at that. Ooh, but I can't afford. Well, y'all already know for the gun buying these suit, man. Purple shit, you feel me? Gonna get these purple. Oh shit, I'm bullshit. Don't buy the suits glitchy. Bro, it was never, no, nigga. You sound dumb as hell, right? Ooh, y'all see the purple food. Stop playing. You know, man, stop playing. Y'all see the purple. Ooh, you my friend is like, oh. Yes, sir. Stop playing. Y'all see the purple? You not gonna get this shit. Hold on, fool. They trying to make a nigga buy socks. Well, they ain't got no purple shoes, though. Man, these dress shoes ugly as hell. I'm coming out, but y'all, man, stop playing, you know. Ooh. Stop playing. We sauce drip out here, man. Big purple shit. Yes, sir. Look. Ooh, wee. Let me put it on Twitter right quick. Stop playing. They want to come get in this picture? So I put it on Twitter?
Yeah.
Or you already left the park? I'm over here in
No,
front
I'm
of
still in
Swags.
here.
Alright, I'm over here in front of the Swags.
Alright.
You don't
Send the invite, bro.
You don't just glitch the mascot out for now.
Yeah,
I don't know no
for
glitches,
now.
bro. I ain't trying to do no
I'll
glitches.
play till my
I ain't trying
car's
to
ready.
glitch, man. Alright, baby.
They're gonna call me, so let's go.
Alright, baby. Are you ready?
Sir.
Alright, appreciate that. Hey, real shit though.
You're
Appreciate
bugging,
that
nigga.
shit,
Right.
bro. Alright, let go, bro. Look how much VC I got, bro. Don't laugh stream, bro. I know y'all nut and I know y'all nut and nigga wanna laugh. Hold on, what else I get though? Hold on, I'm bushing. I gotta get my spot back on leaderboards, you feel me? I'm going back for that, and I'm coming after that J Smoove nigga for sure, stream. For sure. Hey, everybody new in the stream, bro, hit that follow, bro. Hit that follow. Echo. I got an echo. Hold on. If you on your phone watching, you gotta the stream playing in your background. Like when you click on to see to chat to type in the stream, It's gonna what's it called? What happened to 100K for Mascots shipment 2K? Hell yeah, I'm powerful. I thought it was gonna be 100K top scene. What you call it to them? But the wheel food, that little ass bike food. Cause they hold 300 food. I'm Bob. Look, we gonna show y'all, bro. They trying 300K food. Hold on, I passed that. Hold on, I'm bushing. Look at this junk, bro. You know, 300K for some shit that I used to ride back in the day, bro. Look at this shit, bro. Congrats, hey, appreciate that, Will. Appreciate that, bro, for real. Nah, it ain't though. Fire. You been winning the job, book. Bro, somebody come clutch up to donate 25, nigga, I can buy a mascot right now, but look at this junk food. I ain't gonna lie, they whole fresh as hell. And ugly as hell, too. Then they ain't even got the purple, so you know, man, fool. I ain't gonna lie, they whole bustin', no cap. All this shit 1K, 300K at the same time. I'm gonna get this shit though. Don't worry. Before I get the legend, I'm gonna get this whatever the hell called a trike. I'm gonna get the junk. Hey, funny thing is, I ain't even got the hoverboard shit. Ooh, I just been grinding my ass off. Should be 150K for a mascot. I ain't should, bro. No cap. Man, your boy, man, it great, man. Stop playing. For y'all see the purple color. Do y'all fuck with these shoes to go with this junk? Hey, what I was say, you gotta buy fireworks too? You gotta buy the fireworks too? Why did you buy a suit? Because I wanted to, nigga. Hey, where do I get the fireworks at? Don't tell me them hoes 300K too. Fuck you talking about that? Bugging. Oh shit, you can change the style. Hold on, man. Yeah, now this shit ugly. This shit ugly. Yeah, I'm gonna keep it like that. I fuck with that. I'm gonna go to the shoes. Which y'all hell nah, this shit ugly. What y'all think? What shoes? Ain't gonna lie, the ones go hard so far though. What y'all think? Or the 11s? The ones or the 11 string? What y'all think? Or the 8s? What y'all think, bro? Fireworks. So, oh yeah, never mind. If they cost, the fireworks cost, they ain't swags. I seen on Trike stream when he hit my Elite 3, them hoes was ass. What y'all think I should wear? What shoes? The ones? The ones do go crazy. I ain't gonna count. Yo, appreciate that follow. Everybody new to stream, hit that follow, bro. We streaming every day, all day, bro, for that legend grind, bro. No cap. I'm ready to get to work, bro. I'm ready to grind, bro. Some more. I'm ready to keep going. This shit ain't stopping. Fireworks. What them just said, bro? I ain't know, bro. I'm sleep. I'm about some other shoes, though. This mascot game right here, though, Shane. Hold on, bro. They just not purple. The uniform not purple no more. Your stream, the uniform, the Lions, like last year, is not purple no more. That's tough. This, I don't know. This like always been my first mascot I buy the Kings, bro. I always be the first one, no cap. I'm gonna get the Kings. And I had this one last year. 17, I had this one last year too, and in 17. I ain't getting none of these, bro. None of these, bro. Nah, this shit look ugly. I might get the Mavericks and I want the Kings automatically, bro. The Grizzlies ugly as hell, fool. I don't know who would buy this junk, bro. I ain't gonna count. I really just want the Kings, bro, to be honest. All these other joints ugly as hell. Buy 30K VC real quick. Get the Grizzly one. If I buy 30K VC, bro, it's gonna be, I'm gonna have 250K. Get the Grizzly one. Yeah, they changed it. I was like, bro, damn, bro, I wish they go back to the 100K.